Hello everyone, today I will introduce you CG70, how to clean the Renault airbag. This is our latest version software, and we found our part number in our software. The part number here is 9889851052229R. This one. We choose this one and we click the diagram. Here, this is only one diagram. We need to follow the diagram to clearly. First, we need to here get the 4 pins and connect. Compare with the diagram. Okay. Connection is okay now. Then we connect our power and USB cable. Here, the one more thing is if your tool is export the time, no worry about that. You can still use it. No need to pay, no need to activation. You can still update the latest version, and you can still connect our server. You can do all the things. Click welcome. Then we click read DTC. Here is the tips, and it will close in 20 seconds. Please place the airbag computer label face up, like this. It is face up, and after repairing, you need to leave it for a few minutes. Okay, it has been closed. Here, it has a crash event storage for unlocked. We click auto repair. It tips you again. Close it. For CG70, it is very easy to operate. You just connect the 4 cables and connect the adapter, then click auto repair, then everything will be okay. And for some airbag models, it may have different diagram. You need to check which diagram it uses. Here, this is the auto repair and read DTC and clean crash. What is the difference? Read DTC, it will only read the DTC and it will not clean the crash. Clean crash, it only support clean crash. And auto repair, it will read the DTC and clean the crash here. And it will read the DTC again. It will do 3 times, like this shoes. That is the difference. Okay, you can check the crash event has been cleaned. Here, the crash event will have been cleaned. Okay, then after we finish that, remove the power and this and the 4 pins. Then we can put the airbag into car and check other curves and use other diagnostic tool to clean it. That is all the steps. That's all. Thanks for your watching.